Deliberations end for the day in former President Donald Trump's criminal hush money trial.
The jury has already asked follow-up questions. Fox News correspondent Connor Hansen has the latest from outside the Manhattan courthouse. Connor?
Courtney, the jury has gone home for the day after a half day of deliberations, already sending notes that they have questions, asking about key testimony from witnesses like Michael Cohen and David Pecker about meetings in Trump Tower. They're also asking about their jury instructions that they heard just for the first time this morning.
After listening to more than a month of witness testimony and a marathon session Tuesday of closing arguments, a jury of 12 will determine Donald Trump's fate.
Mother Teresa could not beat these charges. These charges are rigged. The whole thing is rigged.
Prosecutors allege he was part of a business scheme to cover up hush money payments made to adult film star Stormy Daniels to silence her claims of an affair before the 2016 election.
I think that the prosecutors really failed up until closing argument to explain to the jury what the actual crime here was and introduce the evidence they needed to prove it.
The jury must be unanimous for any guilty verdict, whether it's all 34 felony charges or just some. As they deliberate, the 7 men and 5 women can ask follow-up questions on handwritten notes. Trump denies any wrongdoing, but if found guilty, could always appeal.
I think the far likelier outcome in the event of a conviction is either a sentence of probation, potentially home confinement.
And if Trump is found guilty, it'll be up to Judge Juan Merchan alone to decide on the sentence. Of course, it could also end in an acquittal or a hung jury if they can't all agree. Back to you, Tom and Courtney.
We'll be watching and waiting. Connor, thanks.